I am Iain Gordon, President of the KNX UK Association. I started working as an electrician and now I am an installer of smart building solutions. Smart technology is the way the market is going, and it's not just for big buildings and mansions, and it's where the most profitable work is. So I want to tell you about a really big opportunity for electricians to be part of this growing smart home market. And that opportunity is KNX. It's the route I took because it is the only intelligent buildings control system that is open. So you stay in control of which products you use as you develop your own smart installation business. And I know that it's genuinely the best solution I can offer my customers. To be part of it, you need to stop thinking of yourself as just an installer and become an integrator, someone who brings all the possibilities together. You need to upskill. Any smart control is always going to involve cabling, even if you're using Wi-Fi with app or voice control. So as an installer, you already have the core skills. What can you do for your customers with KNX? You can control everything: heating, lighting, security and audio visual. You can choose control products from different manufacturers with the absolute KNX guarantee that they will all talk to each other now and in the future. The industry is behind KNX. The big name manufacturers have seen the benefit and produce KNX product ranges. Control4, Crestron and all the main audio-visual companies have developed KNX gateways so they can communicate with a KNX system. Daily lighting can be part of it too. Take a look at KNX Smart Home and Building Solutions. Watch our Introduction to KNX video to learn the basics and then think about getting yourself trained. You can find the training centre nearest you on our website.